Yes, you can. I can't hold the camera straight. Where is he going?
He's really good.
Not bad for the first time. That's really not fair.
Once again, guys, if you did sign up for the 2 o'clock game of laser tag, please remove your skates and head upstairs right now. The game will be started without you if you do not head up now. So once again, that is the 2 o'clock game.
Go, Freddie, go! Good job, buddy.
Great.
He's like out of here.
This next race is going to be Freddie Girl.